Coming in at number 10 is the EGO Power Plus 15-inch 56-volt Lithium-Ion Cordless Brushless String Trimmer. This renewed trimmer features a dual-feed twist line with a 0.095-inch diameter, ensuring precise and efficient cutting. Its high-efficiency brushless motor with variable speed control provides the power and versatility needed for any trimming task. The trimmer is compatible with all EGO Power Plus Arc lithium batteries, offering flexibility for users who already own EGO products. Built with weather-resistant construction, this trimmer is designed to withstand the elements, making it a reliable choice for maintaining your yard all year round. Please note, battery and charger are not included. At number 9, we have the Ryobi 1800 PSI electric pressure washer. This renewed unit is designed with a powerful 13-amp electric motor, making it perfect for tackling a variety of cleaning tasks. It comes equipped with a 15-degree nozzle and a turbo nozzle, allowing for 50% faster cleaning. The included soap applicator makes detergent application quick and easy. With an ultra-flex hose that is 50% lighter than a standard high-pressure hose, handling this pressure washer is a breeze. Additionally, the spray wand features a 1/4 quick connect nozzle coupler for swift and secure nozzle changes. Lightweight and portable, the Ryobi 1800 PSI electric pressure washer is a versatile and efficient addition to your cleaning arsenal. At number 8 is the Dewalt DCBL722P1R Max XR cordless lithium-ion pole saw. This renewed tool features an extension pole that offers up to a 15-foot reach, making it perfect for those hard-to-access branches. It includes a metal bucking strip and tree hook, ensuring a durable cutting grip and easy removal of pruned branches. The brushless motor provides impressive efficiency, delivering up to 96 cuts per charge on 4x4 pressure-treated pine wood. Equipped with an 8-inch low kickback full complement bar and chain, it ensures smooth and safe operation. Additionally, the auto-oiling system keeps the bar and chain consistently lubricated, enhancing performance and longevity. The Dewalt 20V Max XR cordless pole saw is a reliable choice for all your pruning needs. Ranking at number 7 is the UV Security Certified UV Cam Solar Panel. This renewed solar panel is compatible with all UV cams, including UV Cam, UV Cam E, UV Cam 2, UV Cam 2 Pro, UV Cam 2C, and UV Cam 2C Pro. Designed for continuous charging, the 2.6W high-efficiency solar panel keeps your camera powered with just a few hours of direct sunlight each day. Installation is a breeze with a 13-foot cable that offers flexibility in placement to maximize sunlight exposure. The 360-degree mounting bracket and wall anchors make setup simple and adaptable. Certified safe for UV Cam, this solar panel ensures correct power management, preventing damage to your camera's battery. Keep your UV Cam charged and operational with this reliable and eco-friendly solution. Number 6 on our countdown is the Jackery Solar Saga 200W Portable Solar Panel. This renewed panel pairs perfectly with the Jackery Explorer 2000 Pro, taking just 2.5 hours to fully charge it using 6 Solar Saga 200 panels. Additionally, it is compatible with other Jackery power stations, making it versatile for various off-grid power needs. With advanced solar cells, the Solar Saga 200W offers excellent conversion efficiency of up to 24.3%, producing more power under similar conditions compared to other panels. Setting up is quick and easy, thanks to its 3 kickstands that ensure optimum sunlight absorption. The panel comes with a practical carrying bag, magnetic pads for easy folding, and convenient transport. Built to last, the ETFE laminated case ensures durability, and the IP67 waterproof rating allows it to withstand harsh weather conditions. Included in the package are one Jackery Solar Saga 200 solar panel, a 9.8 feet DC charging cable, a carrying bag, and a user manual. Ideal for outdoor adventures and emergency situations, the Jackery Solar Saga 200W portable solar panel is your reliable source of off-grid power. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Number 5 in our countdown is the Ryobi ZRP43611 plus 18-volt cordless electric pole saw kit. This renewed kit includes an upgraded P105 battery and a P118 charger. The entire package weighs approximately 12.2 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to handle for your trimming needs. With dimensions of 40.4 inches in length, 10.3 inches in width, and 3.9 inches in height, this pole saw is designed for convenient storage and transport. Ideal for reaching high branches and ensuring precise cuts, the Ryobi 18-volt cordless electric pole saw kit is a versatile and efficient addition to your yard maintenance tools. Number 4 on our list is the Ryobi 18-volt lithium-ion shaft cordless electric string trimmer and edger. This renewed tool provides the convenience of a 2-in-1 design, functioning both as a trimmer and an edger. The item package dimensions are 45 inches in length, 10.5 inches in width, and 5.5 inches in height, making it compact and easy to store. Weighing in at just 7.6 pounds, this lightweight tool is easy to maneuver for precise trimming and edging. Please note, this package does not include the battery and charger. Perfect for maintaining a well-kept lawn, the Ryobi 18-volt string trimmer and edger is a reliable choice for any yard care enthusiast. Number 3 in our countdown is the Dewalt DCBL722P1R 20V Max XR Brushless Lithium-Ion Cordless Handheld Blower Kit. This renewed blower delivers powerful performance with up to 450 CFM of air volume and speeds up to 125 miles per hour when using the concentrator. The innovative axial fan design maximizes air output and extends runtime, ensuring efficient operation. Operating at a low noise level of 66 dBA, it's perfect for noise-sensitive areas. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this blower offers extended runtime and increased motor life. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it easy to control and maneuver, providing a comfortable user experience. The Dewalt 20V Max XR Cordless Handheld Blower Kit is an ideal choice for keeping your outdoor spaces clean and tidy. Ranking at number 2 is the Husqvarna 95299165850.2 cubic centimeters gas variable speed backpack blower. This renewed blower combines high-powered performance with state-of-the-art ergonomic design. Its 2-cycle, 51 cubic centimeters, 2.16 HP engine delivers impressive blowing force, reaching up to 765 CFM and 270 miles per hour, while reducing emissions by up to 60% and increasing fuel efficiency by up to 20%. The ergonomic harness system features a padded harness, hip belt, and weight-leveling load management system, ensuring optimal comfort during use. The air purge system removes air from the carburetor and fuel system for easy starting, and the variable speed throttle with cruise control allows for effortless operation without needing to constantly regulate the blower's speed. Ideal for lawn care, this gas leaf blower makes regular yard maintenance and tackling demanding tasks, like cleaning up heavy, wet leaves and debris, simple and efficient. The Husqvarna Gas Variable Speed Backpack Blower is your go-to tool for powerful and comfortable yard work. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ryobi 18-volt lithium-ion cordless string trimmer/edger ZRP 2008A. This factory reconditioned tool, while showing varying levels of wear, delivers exceptional performance and versatility. Please note, the battery and charger are sold separately. The trimmer features a pivoting head, allowing for a seamless transition to edging, making it perfect for detailed lawn care. The variable speed trigger provides enhanced control, letting you adjust the power to suit the task at hand. Additionally, the adjustable front handle ensures user comfort, allowing you to work efficiently for extended periods. The Ryobi 18-volt lithium-ion cordless string trimmer/edger is a top choice for maintaining a neat and tidy yard with ease and precision. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.